Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
What kind of question is that? I have a YouTube channel. So now you do delivery.
Yeah, that's my way now.
Okay, bye.
My peace.
Was it Sharon?
Work hard, play hard. That's the motto we try to live by oftentimes. Sometimes we get so wrapped up with work, it becomes very difficult to make some time to wind down. So the past weekend, we just packed up some drinks and food and headed to Aburi. Away from the hustle and bustle, but not too away that we couldn't just drop everything and head back if a job called for it. Every time we gather like this, it's Uno, food, and memories, creating bonds, and, just plain friendships. Of course, Grillano had to serve his internationally known kebabs. One thing I always do is cook. I love it. But soon, we called it a day and then rest for the night. The next morning, we couldn't find it.
So right now, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for sausage.
Hey.
We love the sausage at the central. We be toilet roll tissue.
Yeah, I'm looking for food. I'm looking for tissue.
No, the one that it's a circle. Not new one, ever. Whether the sausage or not.
Now, what we are doing, what's it fair?
Wait, I'm getting it.
Where was the sausage last seen? It's between Dorothy and Gills. Now, Mr. Gills, I'm going to say that channel on the wall. Oh, this is the robot to do delivery. Ah, yeah. When they have nothing going on, they didn't have a bit more. The robot they say, you will see on the dashboard, see last seen at station.
Hey, sugar.
No, but they show the sausage to you. Where you put out?
Me, I didn't show it to me. I didn't see something. It is you and Dorothy.
It's between them.
I thought something.
No,
Dorothy and
no, we have to ask the right questions at the right time.
Yeah,
Relax. When
I don't know, say, oh, yeah,
when did you take out the sausage? When?
we were frying the egg. When we were frying the egg. No, when yes, when we were frying the egg.
When you find the egg and you took it where? It was in a black rubber bag.
So it was here?
No, Was he in a black
Whoever
bar?
will find the sauce, I'll be on 50 Ghana.
Hey!
Patterson.
You see? So back there.
Since we couldn't find it, we decided to go chase waterfalls. Well, literally. Drvmroll Waterfalls is located in Aburi, quite distant from the main road, so when you're visiting the place and the guides keep telling you we are almost there, just know you're about to walk another 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright. So, do you think it was worth it? My bread. This was a nice experience. I would recommend it. 10 over 10. I mean, check the footages. 10 over 10. Hey. So we made it to the top. Beautiful view. We had fun. Guys, we had fun, right?
Oh yeah, we did.
10 over 10 minus what?
Nothing.
Nothing. This was really an exciting experience. Just like the water hitting your back. Oh my god, it's therapeutic. You know, we had a lot of fun. I'll recommend this to you guys if you're out there outside Ghana and you want to see some of the beautiful places, you want to like enjoy and have fun. Ghana is the place for you, man. A lot of waterfalls, a lot of like sights to see, a lot of parties, especially in December. Man, you don't want to miss December in Ghana. Really dope, and I hope to bring like more content like this to you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like the video so that more people can see. The Insuba is here. Me and Sumunam.